Let's access the hidden Windows system inside your Windows PC. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we are discussing about a new feature on your Windows PC by which you can use a new Windows or the system inside your PC itself. So for this, first of all, press in Windows plus R to open the Run tab. Now, type in optional features and then tap on OK. Here you can see different options which is for the Windows feature. You have to specifically search for Windows Sandbox. Just click on it and then tap on OK. So Windows Sandbox provides a lightweight desktop environment to safely run applications in isolation. Software installed inside the Windows Sandbox environment remains sandboxed and runs separately from the host machine. It is lightweight and takes up to only 100 MB of the storage space. It is supported by Microsoft only in Windows 10 and 11 for professional and enterprise. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.